So I have not changed the title name. Anyways, okay, there are basically three types of seating arrangement: one linear, one circular arrangement, one tabular. Yes, one linear, one circular, one tabular. Following everybody? Yes. Now linear is very important, and the more important is what circular. And tabular, very rarely they'll ask you tabular. Are you understanding, students? Tabular going to be asked very rarely, so it's not that important, but still we will do as people. And तुम भी तो हो मेरे पीछे. After ratios and proportions we have done. और क्या कहते हैं उसका, और बहुत सारी चीजें जो अपन ने कर लिया. Okay. चलिए students, let's try to move forward. Okay. Usha. Okay. Dices also provided. I have been provided dices. Dices last model is there, Anusha. That's true. Okay. Chaliye, let's not waste the time, sir. We have also some parts of blood relations and dices. Pakka. Dices I forgot, but it's there. The last model, the twisted one. Chaliye, let's try to move forward now, students. Linear arrangement. Linear arrangement, nothing but, this is linear. Try to understand that. This is linear. Linear means in a row. So, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F. You all tell me, students, how many people are sitting over here? How many people are sitting over here? 6 people are sitting. Bolo, students, how many people are sitting? 6 people are sitting. So let me just try to explain you. Let me just explain you here. Who is sitting on the extreme left? What is that? A. So try to understand that. This position is said to be extreme left. And who is sitting on the extreme right? That is F. This is said to be what? Extreme right. Are you understanding, everybody? Extreme left and extreme right. So don't forget these positions. Positions are very important. Positions are very important. First, I am teaching you basics of this thing. Okay, how to do it? How to do it? Are you understanding, everybody? How to do what? Linear arrangement. How to understand the statements. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, Jagdish Daishes also. Okay. Now, so tell me, what is this position? Extreme left. What is this position? Extreme right. Second question. Who are the neighbors of B? Who are the neighbors of B? That is who? A and C. Suppose if I ask you, who are the neighbors of C? Who are the neighbors of C? Who are the neighbors of C? That's definitely B and D. So, neighbors. Who are the neighbors, everybody, of C, B and D? I changed the word, not neighbors. Who are adjacent? Who are adjacent to C? Same. B and D. Who are sitting beside? Who are sitting beside C? B and D. Are you understanding it? No. Who is sitting next to C? Your brain will tell. Your brain will tell next to C is D. No, that's wrong. Try to understand that. Next means all of the people are saying next means right side. Don't take right side. Students, next means right side. Don't take right side. Next, beside, adjacent, neighbor, all have the same meaning. Are you understanding it? Next, go and sit next to him. Sir, where next, sir? This side or that side? Next means next. Don't think next is right. Next means we either left also, right also. Following, everybody? Yes or no? Yeah. Aditi, you said D. That's what, Aditi, wrong. Remove from your brain. Samajh mein aa raha hai? Next doesn't mean that. Next doesn't mean that, right side. Next can be both sides. Try to understand that. That's the reason I'm telling you. Okay, Aditi? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward and just try to check it out here. Okay, neighbors and everything, you have got the story. I'm asking you, who is on the extreme left? Students, you tell me who is on the extreme left. That is said to be whom? A. Who is on the extreme left? A. Who is on the extreme right, student? Who are the extreme right? That is F. Following, everybody? So you should know extreme left also. You should know extreme right also. Following, everybody? Now, one more thing. Let me ask you. Who is sitting second from extreme right? Yes, this kind of statements will be given to you. Who is sitting second from extreme right? Second from extreme right. This is the first place from extreme right. This is the second place from extreme right. Bolo, who is from second right? E. Who is that? E. Try to understand that. So don't try to think D is second from extreme right. Some people leave this place. Some people leave this corner place. First right, second right. No. It's not the concept. Following, everybody? Who is second from extreme right is that here. That is, this is the first fellow from extreme right. This is the second fellow. Try to understand that. Okay, if I'm asking you, who is third from the extreme left? That's very simple. First fellow from the corner end is A, second fellow and third fellow. Ardhamaitunda, I think It's good for you and your understanding the positions is very important. But what shall we learn more? What shall we learn more? Let me just try to teach you. Yeah. What shall we learn more? Everybody. Okay. Now, for example, you have been given one statement, everybody. Try to understand that. Okay. Students, let's try to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example. So how to do it? How to do it? Are you understanding, everybody? How to do these questions? Let me just tell you. Okay. First of all, you should know the statement. Suppose he told you A is left of B. समझ में आ रहा है? A is left of B. A is left of B. A statement is given to you. Let me just try to keep now. Sir, if B is here, who will be here? A. Left means this thing. A is left of B. Of B. Students, of B. Put B first. A is left of B here. Is this also possible? Yes, sir. Why not? This is also possible. A is left of B. Sir, if B is here, A can be here. A is left of B. If B is here, A can be here. So do you think that you have any specific position of these people? No. You don't have any specific position of these people. You just told me A is left of B. Arey, where is that B? Kisko pata hai? Do you have any idea where is that B? I don't know. But you just told me A is left side of B. So students, it can be possible here also, here also, here also, here also. So these type of statements are said to be uncertain statements. Are you understanding what I mean to say? These kind of statements are nothing but uncertain statements. Never ever start seating arrangement with these kind of statements. Yes, this is the best trick to understand the seating arrangement. Never get involved in these things. A is left out, B told. Where is that B? You told me. No. So these kind of statements are said to be what? Uncertain statements. Always leave these kind of statements. Always leave these kind of statements. They will not just try to have any kind of things. Okay, so what do we call this as students? We call this as uncertain statements. What statements? Uncertain statements. Let's try to move forward now. For example, he has given you one more. The thing is like, for example, he told you B is neighbor. Neighbor, you all know that. Don't say I don't know neighbor. B is neighbor of C. What shall I do? You all tell me. B is neighbor of C, you're telling. Okay, if here is B. C. Why that side? This side also C. You're telling me B is neighbor of C. Are you understanding? But where are those people? Even you don't have an idea, even I don't have an idea. Uncertain. BC can be here also, not BC. CB bolo, acha rahega. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's it. So, uncertain statements means they don't have any specific places. So, always avoid. Jao. We don't have anything to start. Following, everybody? Chaliye. So, how to find out the statement? For example, he told you A is left of B, comma, who is at one of the end. Are you understanding, everybody? What did he say here? A is left of B, comma, who is at one of the end. So students, in the previous concept, I have told you that here, before whoever comes, we are talking about that fellow. Remember that. Don't forget. Understood, everybody? Before whoever comes, we are talking. A is left of B. You all know that. A is left of B, comma, who is at one of the end. Do you have any idea who is at the end? Who is at the end? Do you have any idea? Yes. Before who is coming, he is at the end. So always you are talking with that fellow. Remember. So bolo, who is at the end? B is at the end. Following? This we have learned earlier. Okay, now. So B is at the end. Isn't it? B is at the end. Babu. There are two ends. This one and this one. Yes, there are two ends. One is extreme left, one is extreme right. You tell me, where shall I keep? Where shall I keep? You tell me. We have got two things, extreme left and extreme right. Come on, students. Uh, right? Are you sure extreme right, everybody? That's good. You're telling me extreme right? That's good. Why not on the extreme left? Listen, if you put B over here, do you have a place for A? No. Do you have a place for A? No. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Yeah. So you don't have a place for A. So that's the reason B cannot be here. You told extreme right. B is at the right. Who is on over here? A. Are you understanding what I mean to say that? Yes. So do you have any specific place for this B? Yes, sir. I have a place for B. I know that. So these kind of statements are very good points. You can say certain point or you can say good points. Always welcome. Always welcome with these kind of things. Are you understanding, everybody? Always welcome with these kind of things. Is that fine, everybody? Yes. So, Sunny, you just try to listen once again. Uncertain means the statement which you are not able to position in the arrangement. Sunny, I'll tell you. Listen, Sunny. A and B are sitting together. Understood, Sunny? A and B are sitting together. Yes, A and B are sitting together. Where are A and B here? A and B here. A and B here. And where is that A and B? We have no idea. So these type of statements are uncertain statements where they have no certainty. So we just leave this. Understood, Sunny? Following? Chaliye. So uncertain statement we leave. But this is not uncertain statement. This is a very good point. Why this is good point? Tell me why this is good point. Because tell me why. We have a place for B. We have a place for B. We know how to write. Suppose if I tell you, very simple. A is on extreme right. I gave you one statement. A is on extreme right. Do you know the place? Yes, I know the place. Yes, this is the extreme right. That's it. A. Can you start with these type of statements? Yes, of course, yes. A is on extreme right. I know the place. So this is not an uncertain statement. So we should never ever, start with uncertain statements. We can start with these kind of statements. Following, everybody? Chali, let's try to move forward. Let me just try to give you one more. Okay, I have been told that. Okay, C is the neighbor of. C is the neighbor of A and D. C is the neighbor of A and D. Huh? Sir, C is the neighbor of A and D. A is here, C is here, D is here. No. D is here. Sorry. A is here. You have any idea who is where? Huh? You have any idea who is where? No, you have no idea. तो क्या करोगे? अरे जाओ. I don't use these kind of statements. Understood, Sunny and everybody? Following? Clear? So this is where we are supposed to write down. Is it fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, what do I do now? Everybody, have a look here. I'm going to give you, not give you, I'm going to teach you one question. Just try to listen to this question. Yeah, this is uncertain. Balchandra Reddy, that's good. It's uncertain. For example, I'm giving you, okay, A, B, C, D, E. 5 friends are sitting on a table. First point, he told you, C is not adjacent to B. First point. Second point, E is not adjacent. E is not adjacent to A. Second point. Third point, A is second right side of C, comma, who is at one of the end. Chaliye. Okay, everybody. 3 points have been given to you. How many bacha? 5 bacha. 5 bacha are sitting. 5 bacha are sitting in a row. So what shall I do? First point. That's it. Bolo Babu, how much? 5. 5 lines I am drawing. Understood, everybody? First point. You look at the first point, everybody. How to solve I am teaching, you can do it, okay? But just try to listen, everybody. What is said that C is not the neighbor of A. C is not the C is not adjacent to B. You all tell me, when C is not adjacent to B, C is not adjacent to B, is it a good or uncertain? Huh? Is it a good or uncertain? Are it's uncertain? He's not adjacent to B means मैं क्या करूं? What shall I do? I should write down. C is not a B is here. C is this way you are supposed to do seating arrangement. Following everybody. Third point. Agra is second right side of Chennai. Agra is second right side of Chennai, comma, who is at the end? Do you know, students? Do you know who is at the end, students? Do you know who is at the end? C is at the end. Are you understanding, everybody? Bolo, who is at the end? C is at the end. As I told you, before who, whoever comes. Suppose it's not given who, suppose it is given and. So we are talking about A. This we have already learned. Okay, but now it's not given and, it is given who, so C is at the end. Are you should know. Extreme left or extreme right, Baba? You should decide that. Following everybody? Yes. If I put C here, sir, I don't have a place for A. Yes or no? Yes. That's the reason I will not decide C here. If I decide C here, do you have the place for A? Yes, I have the place for A. Following everybody? That's good. Okay, answer is not important, but how to do that matters right now. Following everybody? Chaliye. I got the place. I got the place. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Good now. Chaliye. Good now. So do you think the third point is a good point? Yes, it's a very good point. Are you understanding, everybody? It's a very good point. Chaliye, students, I have started my journey. I have started my journey with the third point. Okay, shall we move forward now? Listen, everybody. I know that you might can do it, but listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. Okay, now what's the first point? The first point is said that C is not adjacent to B. This is again useless point. C is not adjacent to B. So I can't say this one. So I'll leave this point. I'll go with the second point. What is the second point? England is not the neighbor of Agra. England, you are not a neighbor of Agra. England cannot be here. Yes, sir. England cannot be here. Yes, sir. The only patient left for England is this one. Arthamaitunda. This is the way you have to plan for the strategy for solving the bricks. Why? Why I'm teaching you? Wait. Can you see the screen? Look at the screen, what I'm telling you here. Cognizant have given this question, Baba. How many, Baba? 11. 11 people are seated around 11 people are seated around this thing. Who will do? We will do. Not just 5, not just 9, 11 people. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, so how to do it? Second point. It's over. Now, let's try to use this first point now. For the first point, C is not adjacent to Bangalore. So B cannot be here. So B should be here. Why? Because C and B. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. Students, what shall I ask you now? Are one fellow is left. Do you have any idea who is that? Any idea? Who is that? D. Keep them. This is the way we solve the questions. Are you understanding, everybody? Always pick the best point. Uncertain points, you leave them. Are you understanding, everybody? I believe you all people have understood now. Clear? Clear? That's it. Understanding, everybody? Yes, I know that you have understood. Chaliye, do this question now. There are 5 bacha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chalo karo. Rakesh Naidu, your answer is wrong. You're saying that C, B, D, A, E. You just cross check that one, okay? C, B, D, A, E. First, you do this question. I'll go back to that question, Rakesh. Everybody's in a flow right now. Do this question. I will just try to. You're saying C, B, D, C, B, A, D, E. Chaliye. I'll just note down that, Rakesh. Try to do it faster. Hey Babu, the question is here. Answer this question. Are you sure? PR, TQS, that's good. RT. मयंक बाबू, विनेंद्र बाबू, सबको पता चल रहा है RT RT. चलिए, believing that you all people have got the answer. Okay, there's no doubt in this question. I'll explain you. First point, T and Q are together. Arey Baba, I don't want. Try to understand that. I don't want. Okay, leave it. Next one. T and R are together. Arey Baba, I don't want. I don't want. Next one. What did he ask you? P is on the extreme left. I want this. I know that. P is on the extreme left. This is P. This is P. Next one. Q is second from extreme right. Even that I know. This is a good point. First right, second right. Over. So I have picked 2 points. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? I have picked 2 points. Clear, everybody? Now, next one. P and Q are together. That I have to put. I know the place of Q. I can put T here also. I can put T here also. But T here I will not recommend because he told you T and R are neighbors here. Following, everybody? So this is also not possible. Are you understanding, everybody? So T, Q are possible here. T and R are here. One fellow left. Yes. The question is, who are the neighbors of P and Q? Who are the neighbors of P and Q? P and who are sitting between P and Q? R and T. Okay, everybody. A very basic question. तुम तो कर लोगे. जल्दी जल्दी करना है. Okay. C B A D E. Rakesh is saying. C B A D E. Rakesh is saying whether it's correct or wrong. Rakesh, in C B A D E, look at that. C is not adjacent to B. C is not adjacent to B. Rakesh. Understood, Rakesh? Where you went wrong? Rakesh has told one answer. C B A D E. I'm telling you, Rakesh. The first point is that C is not adjacent to Bangalore, where you are baking. Chaliye. No worries. Let's sort of move forward now. Okay. I want you to do this question also. Very simple question. Make it faster. Make it faster. A very simple question. 5 persons are standing in a line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the 2 persons at the extreme end. Extreme end, you all know that. मेरे भगवान, आज तो बहुत ही नींद आ रही है यार. करो 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 बेटा, जल्दी करो. बी, नदीम ने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया है, फिर भी नदीम सही है. थर्ड पोजीशन, दैट्स गुड. You're doing good. You're doing good. Awesome. मस्त कर रहे हो. Third position. That's good. Let me just tell the answer for this question. Okay, the people who have not got it. B. That's good. So one of the two persons who are at the extreme end, professor, and the other is, you know what, businessman. So here we may have professor, here we have businessman, or here we have businessman, or here we have professor. Students, we have no idea who is where. Leave this point. Next one. Next one. Author. What did he say, you students? What did he say you here? An advocate is to the right side of student. Advocate is right side of student. Wherever student is there, advocate is right side. But where is that student? Even you don't know. Even I don't know. Leave it. Author is left side of businessman. Yes, this is a good point. Students, he told author is left side of businessman. Author is left side of businessman. So do you have any idea where is businessman? Yes, I have an idea. Businessman is corner fellow. Look. Businessman is a corner fellow, I know. But what he told you, author is, what he told you, author is left side of businessman. Do you think businessman can be here? No, because you don't have a place for author. Author is left side of businessman, it's not possible. Are you understanding, everybody? So I'm just wiping out this thing, but yeah, I'm keeping here. Author is here. Okay, everybody, chaliye. Now this is the only one which should fit. Student is right side of advocate. Advocate is right side of student. Some people have a reading problem. Okay, so try to understand. What is that? Author is, sorry, advocate is right side of student. Advocate is right side of student. Advocate is right side of student. Of student. You should put student first. Of student it. Advocate is right side of student. Put student first. Always remember. So this is the way we are supposed to write down what the position of advocate from the left. What the position of advocate from the left? 1, 2, 3. Third position. Best answer. Now, do this question, everybody. Perfect. No, Sampada. It's not Sampad, Sampada. Did a mistake in this thing. No. Somebody is there. Aditi. Nikita is saying what? No. Ek yes bolo. Yes, we got it. Yes. You know, Monica is saying yes. Okay. Listen, everybody. Yes. So Manikanta is saying yes. Okay. Listen, everybody. Okay. For some people, padhana padega. है ना, payment किया है. And I was just kidding. Listen, everybody. 7 people are there. So what do I do? 7 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dashes? 7 dashes. He told you C is. Listen, everybody. Okay. Chota sa question. C is right of D. No. Ja. Next one. Bangalore is at the end. England is a neighbor. Let me check. So Bangalore is at the end. England is a neighbor. Bangalore is the end. England is a neighbor. This is also possible. Bangalore is at the end. England is a neighbor. Arey Baba, this is also possible. No. I don't want this point. Third point. Gujarat is between England and Faridabad. Arey Baba, Gujarat is between England and Faridabad. It can be possible anywhere. So all these points are uncertain statements which we are not. First 3 points are useless. Last point, Anusha, just listen. Last point. Delhi is third from the right. Yes, here some people might have made a mistake. Delhi is third from the right. Listen, everybody. This is the first from the right. From the corner, first. Second from the right. Third from the right. Here you might have made a mistake, some people, okay? Delhi is third from the right. Yes, this is third from the right. This is the first from the right, second from the right, third from the right. Okay, everybody, chalo. I got the position of Delhi. The first 3 points are uncertain points. The first 3 points are how many? Uncertain points. Following everybody? So what did I do now? I have just tried to remove the first 3 points. Following everybody? Now what shall we do now, students? You all tell me. What shall we do now? We have to go for the next point. Are you understanding? What's the next point here? What's the next point? Connecting point. What's the connecting point for all these things? You tell me what's the connecting point. D, you got it here. D, you got it here. What's the D? C is the immediate right of D. D is here. C is immediate right of D. Okay, now let's start connecting point. D is there, C is there, C is there, E is there. What is that? The D has this one. Bangalore is at the end, England is a neighbor. Bangalore is at the end, England is a neighbor. Bangalore is at the end, England is a neighbor. No. Bangalore is at the end, England is a neighbor. Yes, because for England there is no place on the right side. So this is where going wrong. Okay, everybody. Chaliye. Now last one. Gujarat is between England and Faridabad. Gujarat is between England and Faridabad. Gujarat is between England and Faridabad. Hope you got it. Following everybody. One bacha. Only one bacha is left. Who is that one bacha? A. Lagao A. Lagao A. That's it. Following everybody. Yes or no? Yes. Nadim is saying B and A. Yeah, Nadim, let's try to go move across. What is that? Who is on the right of E? Who is on the right of E? Who is on the right of E? Students, what that? G. Answer is what? G. That's good. Who is sitting on the extreme ends? Extreme ends. Who is the extreme ends? BA. BA. Are you sure? That's good. Are you understanding, everybody? Very simple question. Even though 7 people, it's simple. Even though 7 people, it's simple. Okay, that's good. Now do only 5 people. Let me check whether you can do it or not. 7 people you have done, Baba. 7 people you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just want to give you a simple question of 5. Following everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Make it faster, everybody. Later on, I'll just try to increase the level of the questions, explanations. Okay, chaliye. Thing is given over there. That's the reason you are able to do this thing. But on the question which is there on the screen, your data is not given. That's the reason you're in a confusion. Following everybody. Now, what to do now? What to do now? Is that fine, everybody? Yes. Listen, everybody. Okay. I'll tell you how to do. Hari is not next to Kamal. Means Hari and Kamal are not sitting together. That you should understand that. ये तो हल्का हो गया हल्का HALK Hari and Kamal. Anyways, I understanding they are not together. It's uncertain. Leave it. They are not together means ऐसा जश्न नहीं मनाएंगे. Okay, they are not together. Okay, it's okay. Leave it. Okay. Now, next one. Girish sits 2 places right side of Javed. Helpless. Girish is sitting 2 places right side of Javed. So when Javed is here, 2 places right side. Bolo Babu who? Girish. Are you understanding, everybody? I'm leaving this one also. I'm leaving this one also. What should I do next? Mohan is sitting 2 places from extreme right. From extreme right, Mohan. Okay, this is the first place from the extreme right corner. This is the second place from the extreme right corner. Bolo, who is this? Mo. Mo say Mohan. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? So first place from extreme right corner is this. Second place from extreme right corner is this. I got the location of Mohan. Understanding, students, everybody? समझ में आ रहा है? अब just right here. Now, Javed and Girish. Javed and Girish. We have to put hit and trial here. Because I have no places here. Here you have 2 choices. Either this or that. That's what you are supposed to do it here. Following, everybody? How this hit and trial, I'll show you. Javed, Girish. Javed, Girish. No. Javed, Girish here not possible. Javed, Girish. Try to understand that. This is not possible because here already Mohan. Javed, Girish is not possible here because already who? Mohan. Is it clear to you? Try to understand. Hit and trial. Javed, Girish. Javed, Girish. I'm teaching you, everybody, here. Javed, Girish. Or else Javed, Girish. Try to understand that. Either Javed, Girish or Javed, Girish. We have no idea where is Javed, Girish. Are you understanding, everybody? So what do? I'll do hit and trial, students. Hit and trial. Try to understand that. All the data nobody gives. You have to understand that. Sir, what if I put Javed here, Girish here? What if I put Javed and Girish here? If you put Javed and Girish here, now these are the two people who are left, Halka, Mulka, Hari and Kamal. These two people will come here. Will you agree with that? No. Why? Girish, Kamal, Hari and Kamal cannot be together. He told in the first line only. That's it. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? So Hari and Kamal cannot be together. Are you sure everybody? So this is not Hari and Kamal possible. So this is not Javed and Girish. So Javed Girish only one place. Here Javed Girish not possible. Here Javed Girish not possible. Already Mohan is there. Only one place for Javed Girish. This you have to get it by hit and trial. So Babu, who is here? Javed. Who is here? Girish. Arthamaitunda. Now two people are left. Hari and Kamal. It can be Hari. It can be Kamal. So question is, who is on the extreme left? I can answer. Javed. Who is on the extreme left? I can answer. Javed. My question is, who is on the extreme right? I can't answer. People think, sir, it's Kamal. No. He told you Hari and Kamal are not next together. So Kamal can also be here. Hari can also be here. There is no specific place for Hari and Kamal. Who is there? We don't know. Can you answer who is on the extreme left? Yes, sir. Can you answer who is on the extreme right? No, sir. Are you understanding, everybody? Can you answer to the right side of Girish? Yes, sir. Mohan. Mohan, right side of Girish. Mohan. Right side of Girish is Mohan. But can you answer who is left side of Girish? I can't say. Data not sufficient. Can't say. Somebody have answer, can't say. This is answer. Left side of Girish, I can't say. But right side of Girish, because full data is not given. Yeah. Rakesh Naidu here reading, some people might think that we should leave that corner place. Rakesh, many students think like that. Mohan is sitting two places from right end. This is the first place from the right end and this is the second place. Again, standing everybody. He did not say that Mohan is sitting two places away from the right end. He did not say something like that. He said very simple. From the right end, two places. First place is Kamal, second place is Mohan. Following everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward. Now we have got more half an hour time. Okay. Now, let's try to see here. One more small tricky question. Only 5 people. If you can do this question, ऐसे बताऊंगा. If you can do this question, students, you can do this question also. Please make it faster. Listen, everybody. You're in the previous question, Amrita. I'll tell you. Let's try to move forward this question. सब पढ़ाएंगे. Okay. Listen, students, now. 5 persons are sitting on a bench. Yes, 5 persons are sitting on a bench. Okay, first one. Imran sits to the right side of Ravi. Ravi, Imran. Ravi, Imran. Uncertain. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Immediately leave it. Next one. Who is not beside Hari? Who is not beside Hari? Ravi is not beside Hari. Who is not beside Hari? Ravi is not beside Hari. Who is not beside Hari? Ravi. Following everybody. But it's of no use now. Next point. What's the next point? Lata sits to the immediate left side of Suresh and is at the corner of the bench. Who? Lata. Statement is talking about Lata. I told you whenever and comes, we are talking about Lata. Understanding, everybody? It's not who. Suppose here its word is given as who. We are talking about Suresh only. Before who Suresh came, so we are talking Suresh. It came and. I read the statement. Lata sits to the immediate left side of Suresh and is at the corner of the bench. Bolo, who is at the corner? Lata. Lata is at the corner of the bench. So Lata is at the corner. 2 corners. Students, 2 corners. It can be extreme left also. It can be extreme right also. It can be extreme left also. It can be extreme right also. Are you understanding, everybody? Lata sits to the left side of Suresh and is at the corner. Are you understanding, everybody? So that can be possible, extreme life. If Lata is here, Lata is left side of Suresh, not possible. If Lata is here, Lata is left side of Suresh, possible. So this is the best possible for Lata. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it okay? Good. I've started my journey. Huh? I've started my journey. Okay, I've got the best way. Now the point which was uncertain, we are using right now. What is that? Imran is right side of Ravi. First point, Imran is right side of Ravi. That we have to learn. Are you understanding? Imran is right side of Ravi. हर्षल राइट कॉर्नर क्यों आता है बाबा? लता इज लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ सुरेश and is at the corner of the bench. Reading problem. Is it true? Lata is left side of Suresh. Lata is left side of Suresh and also at the corner. Lata is left side of Suresh and is at the corner of the bench. Not right. Harshal कैसे आता है right? Statement पढ़ने में है. Okay, this is what the issues with seating arrangement. We have to read properly. Okay. चलिए, we have understood the first point. Good. Now, let me just try to keep this point now. What is it? This Imran is right side of Ravi. Imran is right side of Ravi. Ravi Imran, no sir. Ravi Imran, no sir. Ravi Imran, maybe sir. Ravi Imran, maybe sir. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, so this is just try to hit and trial. Ravi Imran. Let's try to put here. I may put Ravi here, Imran here. I may put Ravi and Imran here also, but I'll try Ravi and Imran here. What he told about Ravi? Who is not beside Hari? Bolo, who is not beside Hari? Ravi is not beside Hari. This is not possible. Ravi is not beside Hari because he told you in the question only. समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? Clear? So, Babu Ravi Imran. Oh, Babu Ravi Imran. This is not your place. Please get up from there. Okay, sir. Okay. This is the only place for Ravi Imran. समझ में आ रहा है? Now one fellow left, that is Hari. Following, everybody? So what did I ask you? Who is sitting to the right side of Suresh? Answer is what? Answer is what? Answer is what? Ravi. So answer is Chennai. Following, everybody? So this is what I would like to explain you. Seating arrangement, what we have done in the starting are just read, fill. You did such a big question. You didn't do anything. You just read and fill. Following, everybody? Clear? You have not doing anything. But here the question which you have got it on the screen is what? Read, understand and do the hit and trial and then fill. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Following, there is nothing but small tricky. Let's try to ask the previous question. Some people had a doubt here. चलिए चलते हैं और लेके चलते हैं. सब what do you ask you here? Moon is sitting 2 places from extreme right. Okay, it's not leaving extreme right. From extreme right means it's not like you have to leave. This is a place counted from the right corner. Suppose somebody asks you, who is sitting first from the corner? Means it's not like you have to leave corner and count 1. Okay, go and sit at the, suppose some 5 people are sitting at the, like this thing, in a bench. And you were asked that. Okay, so go and check it out. Who is first fellow from the corner? Are you understanding? Okay, so that fellow have to be Kamal. First fellow, second fellow, like that. Following, everybody? Clear? Chali, this is what the confusion some people had. Chalo. Okay, what I have done is what I have given some twisted questions. Okay, but I believe that you can do these 3 questions. Okay, make it faster. Agar tumko time chahiye, I can give the time also for you. Please do these faster. I need to explain some big questions for you. 3 more questions are waiting for you. Okay, chaliye, we are doing linear arrangement. Tomorrow we will do circular arrangement. Again we will do what? Tabular. Chalo. Chaliye, make it faster, students. Make it faster. BAC, Bangalore, Agra, Chennai, Bangalore, Agra, Chennai, ACC, Agra, Chennai, Chennai. क्या हो रहा है? Agra, Chennai, Chennai. Okay, okay. Agra, Chennai, Chennai. Bangalore, Agra, Chennai, Bangalore, Agra, Chennai, Bangalore, Agra, Chennai. There's a confusion. Many people say Bangalore, Agra, Chennai. But I guess there is one student who have told you, Kasi, somewhere you went wrong, Kasi. Everything is right, Kasi. Only first option is wrong, I guess. BAC, BAC, that's it. Hit and trial, huh? Hit and trial. You have to get, like options here. Yeah, choosing the option. It's okay. So you mean Kashi also got the answer, Manikanta also. अरे सबको आएगा यार. कहाँ जाएगा? Concept कहाँ जाएगा? That's quite simple. Okay, I believe that everybody have understood. If you have moved forward, say yes. If you don't want, you want me to explain, type no. Okay. You want me to move forward? No. Sujita wants no. Sujita, I don't want. You don't want me to move forward? Okay, Sujita. Yes, Kasi is saying yes. Shall I listen to Sujita or Kasi? Yes, sir, understood. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. 7, not 6. F is right side of E. Leave it. Chodo, chodo. England is fourth right side of Gujarat. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Chennai is neighbor of. Array, leave it. Yaar. Chennai is a neighbor of Bangalore. Then leave it. First 3 points. Leave, leave, leave. Okay. Last point. D has equal number of people. The best point. Middle. D has either side equal number of people. D is in the middle. Okay. So what is the connecting point which is related to D? What is the connecting point which is related to D? This point. Chennai is a neighbor of Bangalore and Delhi. Students, Chennai is a neighbor of Bangalore and Delhi. Chennai is a neighbor of Bangalore and Delhi, or else Chennai is a neighbor of Bangalore and Delhi. अब बताओ, you have two now, either that or this. See the screen, everybody. In the screen is saying you either this or that. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's good. So what do I do? I'll just try to do with the first one. If first case fails, second fail, start. If second fail, first will pass. So either one of them. Following, everybody? You told me C is a neighbor of B and D, but where is C? Where is D? You're not telling me. Okay. Now let's go with that. This is done. This is done. England is fourth right side of Gujarat. If Gujarat is here, 1, 2, 3, 4. England. England is fourth right side of who? Gujarat. This is possible. Okay. Now F is right side of England. F is right side of England. This is possible. So one fellow left. A. Done. So means this is possible. This is not possible. Are you understanding? That's the reason everybody got it. Is it fine, everybody? Really? I want you to do it. I want you to do it on the screen right now. I have typed it for you. 11 bacha. Do it now and answer this question. Come on, students, make it faster. Make it faster. Make it faster. The cognizant question. Cognizant question. Make it faster, students. जल्दी जल्दी करो. चलिए. चलिए students, what happened is the chat box is stopped. Students, what happened? Are you answering? If you're answering, I cannot see the answer. Probably, students, the chat box. Probably it is getting stopped after a hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. Students, come on. Oh, it's a big question. That's the reason you're taking some time. Middle is I. Perfect answer. Mayank, it's C. Oh, C का क्या होता है मतलब? This one. Okay. Yes. 11 people. No. Chaliye students, make it faster. I'm gonna teach you this thing. Everybody, just try to listen. Everybody, how many people are there? 11. So what do I do? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Listen to the question, everybody. First point. First point now. This is done. Second point. Delhi, who is to the left side of E? This one. It's useless right now. Leave it, okay. A is second right side of E. Who is at the end? Now this is very good point. Students, this is very good point. Just try to listen, everybody. A is second right side of England. Who is at the end? Who is at the end? England is at the end. Two ends. Extreme left, extreme right. Extreme right, not possible, because if England is here, Agra is second right side of England. Agra is second right side of England. It's not possible. It is not at all possible, students. It is not at all possible. Are you understanding, everybody? So England is here. Second right. 1, 2. Hope you people have understood this. Is it clear to you? Hope you are listening to me. So I am removing this thing over here. Jao, jaldi jao. Now, we have started our journey with the point number 3. Following, everybody? Good. Now, next one. Where is A? J is neighbor of A and B. Joker is a 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 neighbor of A and B. Not possible. Joker is a neighbor of A and B. Yes, possible. Joker, you are a neighbor of A and B. That is possible. This side only. That side is not possible. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Good. And also third to the right side of Gujarat. And also third to the right side of Gujarat. Who? Joker. Joker, you are not only neighbor of A and D, and also third right side of whom? Gujarat. Third right side of whom? Gujarat. So Joker is third right side of Gujarat, everybody. Joker is third right side of, right side. Third to the left side of Gujarat. I'm sorry. Third to the left side of Gujarat. Joker is third left side of Gujarat. This is the first left, second left, third left. So successfully I've done this question. Is that fine, everybody? Good. So which 2 points? Point number this, both are over. Okay. Now, what is the connecting point? H is a neighbor of, H is left side of D and third right side of I. H is immediate left side of Delhi and third right side of I. No way. These are the 2 points which are left right now. These are the only 2 points. The point number this and the point number this. So collectively we have to keep this point. Try to listen, everybody. What is said that? D, who is left side of F, second right side of C. And this one. H is immediate left side of Delhi and third to the right side of India. These are the 2 points. So let me just try to keep that points aside and just try to fulfill them here. What is said that? Delhi is immediate left side of F and second right side of Chennai. Delhi is immediate left side of F. Delhi is immediate left side of F and second right side of Chennai. Delhi is immediate left side of F. Delhi is immediate left side of F and second right side of Chennai. Delhi is second right side of Chennai. Delhi is immediate left side of F also and second right side of Chennai also. So let's try to have a look here. Can I put Chennai here? No, because there is no place. Chennai here. Yes, this is possible. Okay, everybody. Now, can you put Chennai here? So 2 possibilities are there. So I am leaving this one. Let me go for the next point. H is immediate left side of Delhi. H is immediate left side of Delhi and third to the right side of India. H is immediate left side of Delhi. H is immediate left side of Delhi. H is immediate left side of Delhi. H is what? Immediate left side of Delhi. H is immediate left side of Delhi and also third to the right side of India. And also third to the right side of India. Not first, second. Following these are the 2 points. So let me just try to keep here. Can I put India here? 1, 2, 3. Not possible. Chalo, India is not possible here. Can I put India here? 1, 2, 3. And D? Yes, this is possible. Okay, everybody. So let me put India here. 1, 2, 3. H is there, but D is not there. Following everybody. So India have only one place, students. India can be sitting here. 1, 2, 3. That is what? H, and this is D possible. Are you understanding, everybody? Successfully we have done this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? Now let's try to keep this point, everybody. C, D, F. Are you understand? D, you got the location. F